Okay, so I have something really exciting to show you. Just got delivered just now from Amazon. Let me open this up because I'm really excited. I've actually never done one of these, but this year I decided, yeah, I'm going to do one. And yeah, the Christmas videos are coming in. So let's have a look what we've got. Ooh, so smaller than I thought. This is going to be my gingerbread house. It looks really cute and you get all the little bits in here. So I cannot wait to get this open. And as well, we have a much larger, and this is decorate your own reindeer. So I'm going to do the decorate your own reindeer in another video, be in the next video, but look at those two cute little reindeers. This is going to be lovely for Christmas. If you are not a good cook or not good at baking, then this is ideal. Also, if you're just somebody that is but just doesn't have the time, this is great for saving time ideas. And also it just looks great on the table, especially when you've got guests over. So this is something that would just look really nice on a Christmas table when you're doing all of your cakes and everything else and treats. So yeah, really cute. But we are going to be looking at this one here, and this is the gingerbread house. Okay, so this is make your own gingerbread house, and as you can see, this house looks really cute. So the kit comes with its pre-shaped gingerbread, and it comes with its icing and candy decorations all inside. You even get this Santa Star Baker certificate. So that's a really nice added touch. So yeah, you even get a certificate afterwards. So okay, so what you get is this is the icing here, and then you've got the cake bits there, all made of gingerbread. You can really smell the ginger. And then you've got these little baubles here, and that makes up for the decoration. And as you can see, they have cleverly put some decor onto the little wreath there with the door and the candy canes as well, so you don't need to do that. So yeah, so the tricky part I think here is going to be the icing, and I think I need a nozzle, and I do have one somewhere to put on here, and it's not good that they actually didn't do that. I thought that it would come like a squeezable, but yeah, I'm gonna have to find something because there's no way I could do it without that. Unless, let's have a look at the picture on the box. How are they doing it? Maybe they're just literally cutting a little corner out, I think. So ice the base and push the panels into place and hold. Also ice the inside edges of the panels and hold in position until the pieces stay in place. Ice a thick line along the peaks and apply roof panels. Hold in place for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So I've decided I'm going to do this on my cake stand because I think it would just be really nice to have it on the cake stand. And this is obviously the base. So yeah, so let's begin.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So everybody, icing hands later. Even had to make my own icing. This stuff in the packet doesn't smell very nice. Although it is icing, it probably is better than the icing that I've made because my icing has gone all runny. But I had fun making it, and I'm sure you can make it better than me. But I really like it. I think it's all down to the icing. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed my attempt at making the gingerbread house. Trust me, it tastes better than it looks. The icing is fabulous. So I hope to see you back for some more fabulous ideas. This is going to be fun. This was my attempt at making the gingerbread house from Amazon. Although it wasn't perfect, I had fun with it, and I'm sure you will as well. If you're making this with friends, this is a great suggestion for Christmas because you can have a laugh with it. Anyway, please, if you want to see more fun, come back when I make my reindeers. If that is what was like, I have no idea what I'm going to make of these reindeers. But yeah, so I hope to see you all again for another video. And come on, let's get a close up of the cake. Give me credit.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas.